Hello tiny tots, a big hello to you. Welcome back to Learn Forward from Hi Kids Feather Cap. And today we are back with the topic clothing and stuff. I will tell you about clothing and stuff. And in the last class we have studied safety rules at home and outside our home. Are you all following the safety rules? Yes, we should all follow them very carefully. Alright, today I will tell you about clothing and stuff. Like clothes, these are clothes that we wear in our daily life, at night, in the morning, every time we wear clothes, okay? I will tell you about clothes. What are the clothes and what are the seasons to wear different types of clothes. Let's start our class. So, see this boy is wearing sweater, pant and shoes. Sweater, pant and shoes. So, when do we wear a sweater? We wear sweater in the winter season. We wear sweater in the winters. जब ठंड हो जाती है, cold होती है ना, तो हमें ठंडा लगता है. And then we wear sweater. हम तब पहनते हैं sweaters, okay? And this is a pant. Pant you can wear in summers also and in winters also, okay? It's like a trousers. Next are the shoes. Mostly हम shoes कब पहनते हैं? Winter season में, okay? With socks also. Next is this boy. This boy is wearing a hat. हम hat कहाँ पहनते हैं? Here on our head. Then a shirt. Inside this, he's wearing a shirt. Next, belt. He's also carrying a belt. हम belt क्यों पहनते हैं? जिससे हमारी पैंट टाइट रहे और लूज ना हो, okay? Next is this long coat. Again, long coats we wear in winter season, okay? Winter season में हम coat, sweaters पहनते हैं, okay? Next is this boy. This boy is in half sleeves t-shirt. See? Half sleeves t-shirt हम कब पहनते हैं? In summers, जब बहुत गर्मी होती है, बहुत sunny days होते हैं. We wear half sleeves t-shirt like this boy is wearing, okay? Next is, again this boy. This boy is wearing hat, full sleeves t-shirt and jeans. So, this is full sleeves t-shirt. When do we wear it? We wear full sleeves in winter season, okay? जब बहुत cold होती है. Next is the jeans. This is boys jeans. And again a hat. हम hat कहाँ wear करते हैं? Here on our head. Next is this girl. This girl is wearing a top and a skirt. This is top, half sleeve top and skirt. So these are clothes of summer season. These are clothes of summer season. Next is this jeans. This is the girls' jeans, okay? These jeans, girls wear it. This girl is wearing a frock, and frock we wear in summer season, okay? She is wearing a yellow color frock, okay? And again, this lady is wearing salwar suit. It's a proper suit with dupatta on it. And we wear salwar suit on occasions like if there is Diwali or some Lodi, we wear salwar suits, okay? It looks very pretty. So these are various clothes जो हम अलग-अलग occasions पे wear करते हैं, all right? Now, next is this activity. You have to paste your picture in your favorite dress here. Like my favorite dress is this suit. So I will click a picture in this and paste it over here. Alright, you will paste your favorite picture in your favorite dress. Alright, good. Now, that's it for today. I will see you in the next class. Keep learning. Happy learning. Bye bye. Take care.